Instructions for configuring load balancing on one PPPoE line and one LAN line on Mikrotik Router. Set up single/multiple PPPoE path load balancing and single/multiple path using LAN IP. Request install a PPPoE line through Etherport 1 and a LAN IP line into Etherport 2 load balance of the above two network lines. Caution: using load balancing across a LAN line is not recommended by experts. Use load balancing across both internet lines using PPPoE, if possible. Internet line through Etherport 1. Internet line through Etherport 2. Set the internet connection via Ether 1 port to distance equals 1. If the distance value is smaller, that internet line will be the main line. Set the internet connection via Ether 2 port to distance equals 2. Configure NAT to the network for both connections. At the IP firewall menu and Mangle tab, mark all connections from outside the internet to the router. Connect from outside the internet to PPPoE line. Connect from outside the internet to Ether 2 line. The same goes for LAN networks, dividing connections into internet lines and marking them. Continue to divide the connection to a certain internet line. Directions for 4 markers in the Mangle section: first, with /OI 1. Then, with /OI 2. Next, with /DiraPPPoE 1. Next, with /DiraPPPoE Ether 2. Move to the next step, create 2 lines for 2 names, DiraPPPoE, DiraEther 2 at menu IP, routes for roads DiraPPPoE. For the road, DiraEther 2. Careful! Many of you choose the Ether 2 port. Instead, the gateway entry must be the gateway of the LAN that is assigning IP to the Ether 2 port. Test load balancing. The router will automatically balance the load along 2 routes. Hung Dan Ko Hin Ko Ben